When his master died, Yamamoto Tsunetomo begged to follow him through seppuku. The authorities said no. So this 18th century samurai did something radical instead. He spent the rest of his life writing about how to live as though you are already dead. This wasn't dark thinking, it was freedom. Tsunetomo discovered that when you accept the worst-case scenario, fear loses its grip on you. Every morning he spent 30 minutes contemplating his own death, not to be morbid, but to be unstoppable. He realized something powerful. When you've already accepted loss, you can take bold action without the weight of what might go wrong. Decision paralysis disappears, social anxiety fades. Because what's the worst that could happen? You've already imagined it and made peace with it. Modern entrepreneurs use the same principle. They visualize failure, accept it, then move forward anyway. The samurai knew that imagining death daily doesn't make you less alive. It makes you incredibly alive. Because when you're not afraid to lose, you're finally free to win.